Some of my Christian or Hindu colleagues say me Assalamu alaikum. So that's what I'm a bit confused here whether he used this word.
No, you should say wa alaikum salam. When they send salam to you, it's your right to send peace to everybody. Salam means peace. So if they offer peace to you, it's yours to send peace to them. So why don't you say wa alaikum salam? Don't say good morning, good evening. Right? This is Maulvi attitude you are just showing now. They think that no salam should be sent to any non-Muslim. So they will say wassalamu ala man ittaba'al huda. Salam only to those who accept or will follow the guidance of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But this is stupid. It was not the way of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once Rasulullah sallam was traveling with his wife, and a Jewish person who was a munafiq, hypocrite, first degree, he twisted his tongue and said assalamu alaikum. Instead of salamu alaikum, he said assalamu alaikum. Sam means destruction be upon you. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said alaikum. So Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha thought he was saying wa alaikum. She reminded him he was sending destruction upon you. He was praying for destruction. So he said, didn't you hear what I said? I didn't say wa alaikum, I said alaikum. I didn't say and also upon you, I said upon you. So if he had said assalamu alaikum, Rasulullah should have said wa alaikum assalam. Evidently this is an inference we can draw from this.
Hello.
So it is implied from this that if he had said assalamu alaikum, Rasulullah should have said wa alaikum assalam. You see? This is the most positive inference you can draw from this. Now this lady, who's she?
She is Zubair's mother.
That's what I thought. That's why I'm asking. Zubair is not here, but his mother is here.
Huzur, Zubair is here, but his kid also is here. That's why he cannot sit here. His son is with him, so he's waiting in the studio.
Why?
We are afraid that the kid might disturb him here. That's why he's waiting.
Achha, understand. Yes, I understand. Please. You want to come or no? Your kid is a bit difficult, eh? All right. But your mother will ask questions, of course.